Now, if you're like me, you're very aware of a lot of different tool deals that happen around the holidays. They're the same every year, by and large. Sometimes there's a variety, but most of the time it's the same stuff. Now, this right here is a Craftsman tool deal that goes back a long way. I feel like it was $199 in the past, and now it's $249 because of inflation or something. I don't know, but it's very similar. It's like a mirror of the Home Depot Ryobi deal, which is like $199. Because Craftsman to me is like Ryobi. That's their competitor at Lowe's. We're gonna leave Ryobi out of this one though, because I want to kind of talk about why I'd never ever purchase this deal. So you see what you get here, and I'll run through it real quick. So they say it's a $535 value. That would be only if you're drinking heavily. And they will call this a 6-tool kit and include that light, which they should never include the light. The light's like a little add-on. No one likes these lights. I don't know of anybody in the modern era that likes these little pistol grip lights that come with all these kits. They should really just chuck that and add another battery or something like that. This is the Craftsman brushed drill. 2-speed gearbox, work light, blah, blah, blah. But it is brushed. So it's like an entry-level drill. Here's the light that nobody cares about, no one uses. If you use it, please tell me why. Because I don't know why. I don't know why anyone would use this. This is their brushed impact driver. And as you see, it's about as long as the Godfather movie right there. It's big, it's long, and it's less powerful. This is a tool that some people use, some people don't. It's an oscillating tool. I kind of like the way the Craftsman oscillating tool is set up. This is the brushed version. So all these tool companies have two different versions. They'll have a brushless version, which is more powerful. And they'll have the brushed version, which a lot of times is bigger and less powerful. Basically, the brush is like an older style, and the brushless is a newer style. This is a 5.5-inch circular saw. So it's a very small circular saw. The Ryobi kit has the same type of saw, 5.5-inch. And the 5.5-inch Ryobi saw, I've never used the Craftsman version, but the Ryobi version is just the worst. I've smoked them up on 2 different occasions, trying to rip through 2x4s. And by rip, I mean not going straight across. I mean going down the long end of it, trying to rip shims. And it is not made for that. Now, I understand it's not made for that, but boy, it died brilliantly on 2 occasions. Made 2 different saws. And this is the brushed reciprocating saw. So I think this saw is actually decent for being a brush saw. It's probably one of the tools out of this bunch that I think is maybe the best tool. Now, this deal isn't all bad. You get a free tool. Now they have a buy one, get one with this, and it looks like it's a Craftsman V20 380 CFM, so it's a little leaf blower. It's not a powerful leaf blower. It's probably one of the little lightweight leaf blowers just for like blowing the leaves off of like your steps or something like that. It's not going to be moving a bunch of wet leaves around your yard. But it looks like that's the only tool that you can select. A lot of times you can select more than one, so that's not a great deal. But you do get 6 real tools and then the light. But here's the deal I think that you should bypass this one for. We're going to stay in the Craftsman platform. Now, you can go over to Cobalt and get some of their stuff, but I want to keep it Craftsman. We're going to bypass the brushed Craftsman. This is brushless. This is the drill and the impact driver. But this deal is different because you buy one of these sets and you get 2 different tools. Real quick, this shows a little slide of brushless motors, more runtime, better performance. Now, I don't know about runtime on all the brushless motors, but they are more efficient motors. And they definitely, in general, are stronger tools. Just because you have a brushless motor doesn't mean it's going to be stronger than a brushed motor, because motors are made in all different ways. But a lot of times when you move up to a brushless tool in a platform, it's going to be a better tool overall, smaller and more powerful. Most of the impact drivers on the market will say around 1,800 inch-pounds of torque. There's some that are over 2,000, I think like Flex, Cobalt, and probably Milwaukee. I haven't checked on Milwaukee, but a lot of them say around 1,800 inch-pounds of torque. When these companies talk about torque, a lot of times you can't really listen to that. It's almost better to go online and see the reviews of them, because they'll say numbers and it's just, I don't know how they arrive at those numbers. For impact drivers, it's a little bit more accurate than the drills. The drills will have weird torque claims. DeWalt does a different method, unit watts out, but they'll still have claims that are like, how did you come up with this? So let's see what kind of tools we can select here. So you can select 2 of the following tools. A Craftsman brushed angle grinder, pass. Craftsman inflator, maybe. It's not a good value. You want to pick stuff that costs the most. There's a Craftsman 6.5-inch saw, So it's a little bit bigger than that 5.5 inch, a little bit better. I've used their saw before, the 6.5, and it's decent for what it is. A nice brushed entry level saw. There's a jigsaw. Maybe you don't need an oscillating tool. A lot of people may not want one. A jigsaw comes in handy if you're cutting a lot of plywood into shapes. I do a lot of that during the holidays to make displays, so jigsaw would be handy. You have random orbit sander. I'd probably bypass that as well. A lot of times for me, using a corded sander is better because you're using them for such a long time period, you'll be eating through multiple batteries. There is the oscillating tool here, so you can still get it. But here's a couple good ones that you don't have access to with the other deal. Craftsman V20 ratchet, 3/8. That's a pretty good deal. It's over $100, it says here. Sometimes the prices they put on these deals are a little bit inflated to make the deal seem better, I guess. There is the brushless router V20, which is really nice. So if you want to get into woodworking, you want a trim router, you want to put a round over in something, and just keep it in there all the time, this is your router right here. Like my Ryobi back in the shop now. Just has a round over that stays in it all the time. You can also click on the Sawzall. So you'd only have 4 tools with this deal, but you'd have a better selection of tools to tailor it to what you want. It costs a little bit less, so you could go in and get a different deal, which would be this one right here, which is the $99 deal. So that would bring your total up to $300, but you get choose one gift with this one as well, and you get a 4 amp hour battery. You could choose another one of those tools. So you would have 5 tools. You'd have 3 batteries, one of them being a 4 amp hour. So you'd have a little bit better selection. You could tailor it to what you want. And I think it's cool compared with the other deal, because the other deal is like, I don't know. It's almost like one of those things like run of the mill. Let's just throw out the deal again this year. Here comes the deal. Let's just do it. I don't like that deal. I don't think it's that good. I don't think the tools are that good, but I think this is a good way to do it for a similar cost, get better brushless tools, and you can tailor it to what you want. So I'll put a link to it in the description down below. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you're shopping this year for deals, try to put some of those up. God bless you, and I'll see you on the next one.